Hello everybody, CJ Compton here. This is going to be an inside view. This is a malfunctioning crossing. I had to call in about 2 crossing malfunctions, one here and one just east of here. We have a New Jersey Central Heritage unit, it looks like, from what I can tell. From over here. Yeah, New Jersey Central.
Yes. Yes. New Jersey Central.
I think it looks like it, yep.
Look at that. Awesome. Oh, yes.
Is he crawling for the next crossing too, or no?
Oh, yeah.
He is?
Oh, yeah.
Because I did say that the next one is also down just east of here.
Yeah.
Or is he going to speed up now? Or no?
Jersey Central? Are you kidding me?
During a malfunctioning crossing, well,
Yeah, during the malfunctioning.
not only here, but the next crossing just east of here.
Right?
But I was here and I called it in. And they said they're going to send someone out.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing we got it called in, folks. We've had people going around the gates here for the last 15 minutes. Unbelievable. People are looking dead nuts into the drain and they're still going around the gates. How stupid can you be?
Well, let's not worry about that now. It's over for
It's
now.
over for now. We're not going to worry about it anymore, but people, please.
Please wait if you can.
Please wait
If you can.
if you can.
Yeah. Was it a maintenance guy or whatever? Or a maintenance crew coming here to...
Yeah, Alfonso, I think that was his
No.
name.
No, we don't know who's coming out. I don't think I've ever had to call in anything out here before. This is why there are signs that are on these crossings that show you that to call this number if there's an emergency.
And I would consider this an emergency.
Yeah, because this is 2 crossings that's malfunctioning at the same time. I don't know how, but there are 2 of them malfunctioning, one here and one just east of here.
Yes.
You know that next crossing I was just at earlier?
Yes.
That one's malfunctioning too.
But somebody will get hit out there. They don't care. Run around those gates. Somebody's bound to get hit by a train. Unbelievable.
I just hope after this one clears is that these gates don't go up. That's all we need to have happen now. Is to have this train fix the issue. I think the train is speeding up a little now, isn't he? So this one was going slow because of the 2 crossings. From what you can see. Well, the other one's gonna have to crawl through here too. Yeah, and it's gonna have to crawl through both of these. And it is raining here too. So that's why I said that this is an inside view. Not this. Actually, this is not Auburn. This is at Wayne Street. Here in Waterloo, Indiana. I might come here the next time and I will have a outside view. Sunday, October 19th of 2025. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and that is it.